Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we're jumping like straight in. I'll be doing a wig review for y'all. As y'all can already tell, it is a wig review because once I come on here with my wig cap on and my makeup on, you know it's going to be like a quick wig review. So guys, this hair was sent to me by Beauty Forever, and this is their Brazilian straight wig, and it is in the color T430. It is like a ombre wig. It looks sort of like orange to me. I'm going to show y'all, but it looks sort of orange to me, but the color is T430, and this is their 4x4 fake scalp wig. As y'all know, there's a shortage on lace, so it's like closures or headband wigs, but today we'll be doing this wig. And guys, I already curled this unit, and it is such like a beautiful unit. Like, look at the color. That's what I was saying. This more looks like a orange tone versus like a 30, but it's really pretty, and I feel like it's really like fall appropriate. Guys, with these fake scalp wig, it's literally like a 4x4 closure, but you can't like part it. It doesn't have like parting space, so it does come with like a straight part down the middle, but there's like no parting space, so you have to like keep it down the center. And guys, you don't need to you don't need to like bleach the knots or anything because it already comes like that. Plus there really isn't any knots to bleach, so it already comes like ready to wear, like straight out of the package. It's a grab and go wig. This wig is good if you're a beginner, if you're not like that experienced with like frontals. Like, this is definitely like your season. These wigs that they're making right now are good for like beginners. So yeah, we're gonna like get into this unit. Guys, the ombre color is really like beautiful. Like, it looks really nice. They did a good job on that. The hair is really full. I believe it's either 150 or 180% density. I'm not like certain, but I'll leave that in the description bar. But the hair is pretty full. It doesn't shed. Like, I curled it and it curled pretty well. It was curled with like a curling wand, and I like did that off camera, and I used a hot comb to just get the part like way like flatter than it came. Okay, so that's pretty much like the basics of the wig. It does come with adjustable straps on the inside, and it has combs if you'd like to help to secure your wig. There isn't really like that much to be said. It's like pretty straightforward. So we're gonna just like get into it. I'm gonna install this wig and show you. Like, usually I would put these wigs on without like doing anything much to it, but today I feel like adding like a little bit of like glue on the area right here, so it'll have the wig like more secured. So let's like get into that. So the wig comes with lace on the back, and I'm just gonna like cut that off, and then we're gonna try the wig on, and I'll cut the lace off the front portion, but I think I'll cut the lace off after I use the glue to like glue it down. I've never used glue on like any of these fake scalp closures, so we're just gonna be experimenting with that today. Definitely getting fall vibes from this wig and this lip color. You don't have to glue this down. Like, these units are not like meant to be like glued down. I'm just being extra right now. I want to just like try using like the ghost bond just to put like a little bit so it stops the closure from like moving back, because I've noticed when I wear like the other closure wigs, it be like moving back, and you like sometimes have to like shift your wig forward. So hence I want to use like just like a light layer of ghost bond just to like tack it down. So we're gonna like do that. And I'm not putting it on my hairline. For all of y'all who are concerned about glue, I'm not putting it on my actual hair, I should say. It's not touching my hair. Just using like just a little bit. It's gonna be like a really like thin layer. I just want it to hold the hair just a bit. And with the fake scalp wig, you do not need a wig cap because it's not gonna show, but I used a wig cap because right now my hair is like dusty under this. It's not even like braided down, so I used the wig cap just to hold it down. So guys, I did go back in with a little bit, like a little more glue because I didn't put enough. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to cut these pieces to make like some baby hairs, not like too much or whatever. The wig, like it doesn't come like that, like okay, with baby hairs because it is a closure wig, but I'm like experimenting, so we're gonna see how it turns out. Okay guys, so this is what the hair is looking like. I did put some concealer on the parting area just so that it'll look like more straight, and yeah, I think it looks way better with the concealer. And these are the little edges, somewhat edges, baby hairs that we came up with. So yeah, that's basically it in terms of doing the hair. And you know, there's nothing to do on the sides because it is a closure. I'm just going to like brush my curls out, and I think that's it for the styling. Like it's super easy. You don't have to do like the extra stuff that I just did. Like you can literally just wear this hair as is, but I wanted to try like gluing it down and try like making it look more of like a kind of like a frontal look in a sense, that versus looking like a closure. Okay guys, I think this looks pretty good. I love the color. Like the color is so it's giving me fall. It's giving me like a Beyonce vibe. Like okay, like let's get into the fall. Like it definitely looks like fall, and I'm really glad that I tried adding the glue on the like the closure area, because it makes the hair looks like, it makes it look like a frontal vibe versus like a 4x4 like closures. Because you know, with the closures you have to be like pulling it forward like all the time, but with this glued down it's like secured, and you get like, as I said, a frontal vibe versus a closure. And yeah, I think this hair looks pretty bomb. I'm gonna like go back a bit so y'all can see like the color and the length, and it does come down to like my waist area because it is a 24 inch. I think it's a 24 inch, so it does come down all the way to here, and it is curled, so that's why it looks like this. But I think it looks super pretty. I'm going to, you know, like feel myself and do my little slow-mos and stuff, so y'all can definitely like see more of this hair. But I have nothing bad to say about this hair. I love the color. The color is beautiful. Like I feel like fall right now. The color is beautiful. The density is nice. It has like a more of a natural density. It's not like excessively thick, and it's not thin either. It's not excessively like thick, but it's not like thin either, so it's like a really good density. I'm happy with it. It doesn't shed. As I said, it was not shedding, and it takes well to heat, so it curled really nicely. And you can glue it down. Like we discovered something today, you can like glue it down and give yourself like a frontal vibe versus a closure. And if you don't want to do all that extra stuff, you can just like throw it on and be out the door. Guys, if you've reached like this far in the video, then you should definitely like subscribe. You should be subscribed already. You should have your post notifications on, and you should definitely like give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Yeah, I think I said everything. And guys, the hair information will be down in the description bar, so you should definitely like check it out if you're interested in like getting this hair. Thank you guys for watching another like tutorial of mine, another video, another review, or whatever this is, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. I love you guys so much. Bye.